You had companies like Dow, the chemical company, and that was up about 80% or so. You had Moderna, which is a vaccine maker, and they were up about 70 plus percent. So it wasn't just the energy stocks doing well. And on the negative side, you look at Estee Lauder, which is a cosmetics company, and I don't know exactly all the products. I know they make cosmetics. That was down about a third. You had Aries, which is an investment management company, down about a third. Robinhood, down about a third. You had DoorDash. So a lot of companies that went down. Now the question is, should you shift more in energy stocks? And the answer is like I'm not sure that I would go nuts on these energy stocks because there is a cycle of boom and bust, particularly around energy. And even as headlines have been like, oh, look at the world, we need oil, it's going to go up. We've seen situations and times when this boom and bust shows in different ways. It was exactly 6 years ago. This is exactly 6 years ago, David, when we had a completely different situation with oil. And 6 years ago, if you remember the pandemic, which is a crazy time, the situation back then is that the price of oil was not high. It was actually crazy. It was below zero. In other words, if you had oil, you had to pay somebody to take it off your hands. And this was 6 years ago, not 60 years ago. So these booms and busts and oil going up and going down, I would not get just so carried away and say we need to make this move today because of oil.